Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here. I have 10 plus years of experience in IT industry. So friends, our today's topic of discussion is why should not you join Infosys as a fresher? I know many of you had got selected in Infosys, and this video will definitely help you a lot to understand why you should say yes to Infosys and why you should say no to Infosys. And if you have any other companies where you have got selected, so you will be able to compare both the companies and accordingly you can join. Yesterday we had done a video on TCS and I had told you why you should not join TCS and why you should join TCS. And after that we got a lot of comments. So our next video is on Infosys, and then our next videos will be Wipro and all the companies. So you can also put in the comment down what did you like about the video and what you did not like about the video. But anyway, in this video I will be telling you why should you say yes to Infosys. These are the below reasons. I will be giving you each and every sentence explanation, so you do not have to worry and you have to watch the video till the end. Why you should say no to Infosys? Okay, so that reason also I have given. So each and every reason I will be talking in detail, and all this information has been collected from the Infosys employee only, so you do not have to worry. All these are the facts. So Online Study for You always believes in fact. We do not take some random data and put it. No. And if you want any kind of help, in the comment box, many of our students are working in Infosys, so they will be able to help you in the comment box section. Okay, now, so friends, the first thing, the Infosys, why people like Infosys a lot. So I love Infosys because of its training. So friends, Infosys training is world class training, I would say. And you can see Infosys Mysore campus. And friends, at the end of the video or during the video, I will also tell you why I left Infosys. I did not join. I mean, basically, I did not join Infosys itself. So I had other offers. So I had gone for other companies. I did not go for Infosys. So I will tell you the reason, and accordingly, you can relate yourself to me. Okay, now, so I love Infosys because of its world class training. And you can see this is Infosys Mysore campus. So friends, Infosys is a top brand company, and you can see their training. I mean, the training place itself is so beautiful, man. So, I mean, here you'll enjoy like anything during your training period. So all the rooms, hotel, everything in, inside one campus, and all the rooms will look like as hotel. So friends, you can see the pools and all. So all the facilities you will be getting it here, and you will definitely enjoy a lot. And there are many people says that your Infosys training, okay, in Mysore is nothing but extension of your, engineering with all these facilities inside one campus. Okay, now, so why should you say yes to Infosys? So these are the below reason number one. So you can also say fact number one. So Infosys has world class training. Okay, so you will have generic and stream based trainings will be there. So once you get selected in Infosys, then the next process after your BGC background verification, you will have the world class training, so which will be generic and plus stream based. So when there was no COVID, so then the training was happening in Mysore campus, Infosys Mysore campus, the image which I showed you right now. But here you can see now it is happening virtually, so it will be generic and stream based will be there for some of the students this year. So there was no generic training, there was only induction training for 1 week. Okay, but anyway, so either you say generic and induction in a virtual, and plus stream based training will be there. So in your generic training or induction training, they will teach you Python, they will teach you Java. Okay, so they will teach you all the languages basics, basically they will be giving it to you, and then your stream based training will start. So friends, whatever they will teach, so they will be from very much basics. So they will be teaching you from very much basics, you can also say. So they will be doing a spoon feeding. Okay, so you will be able to learn a lot. So learning and growth. Okay, so learning and growth, which is my third point. So there is a lot to learn. Okay, and you will be finding opportunity, and at every stage I'll be talking about that as well. So friends, you cannot compare Infosys training with any other company. Either you talk about TCS, okay, or you talk about Capgemini, or you talk about Wipro, or you talk about any mass recruiter company generally, or any other companies also I can take. So this training will be definitely very better training, best training. And here you are, if you are from non-IT background also, you are going to learn a lot. And if you're from IT background also, then also you're gonna learn a lot. And then a stream based training will start, and after that you will be put in some project. Okay, so this is one reason why you should join Infosys. Second, so this is common about Infosys, TCS, because see, TCS is the most valued company, and after that Infosys comes. So Infosys is also a brand name. Okay, so I remember, so when I had got selected in Infosys, I had not slept whole night. So I was so happy because the name Infosys is very, very famous. Okay, everybody knows about that. Infosys is a top brand. It's a you can say great brand. It has a value, brand value is there. So if you work in Infosys, you will be getting a brand value. And see, Infosys is a brand value plus. If you come from Infosys, everybody will be knowing that you have gone through a very hard, and if you have gone through a very good training, so that is one reason people will easily take you. Okay, see, if you come from other companies like TCS or like Capgemini, people knows that TCS has a value, similarly Infosys has a value, but Infosys has another value of world class training. So this, their training is very, very good. It's the best training ever. So switching to any other companies will be definitely easy. Third point, there is a lot to learn. So friends, Infosys training itself, you will be able to learn a lot. And there is something called Lex platform. So this is for the Infosys employee. So once you join Infosys, so this Lex is like how your upgrade courses are there, Amazon courses are there, Udemy courses are there. So like this, you will be also having courses on Lax platform, where you will be able to learn a lot. Okay, where you will be able to learn a lot, and based on that you will be getting lot of opportunity. So you can collect as many certificate as possible. And even inside the Infosys, when they will see you your certification, so based on your certification, you can anytime jump into the development platform. Okay, so friends, the third point is there is a lot to learn. So if you are working in Infosys, if you are going to work in Infosys, then your life will be filled of learnings. Okay, till then you are in Infosys, and you will be getting opportunities at every stage. Now the fourth point, if suppose like any other companies, okay, so here I'm telling you, so in Infosys, why you should say no, so because you will be put random distribution of project will be there. So they will be putting you randomly, so there won't be any skill based they will be putting you in project. No, so based on your skills they will not put you any project. But once you are put in support project or testing project or any other project which you do not like, okay, then there is a way. So there will be certification programs will be there, as I said, in the Lex platform for the Infosys employee. I'm not very sure if the platform name is same, because I asked one employee and she has given the input. Based on that I'm making the video. So if you work on, if you collect the certificates from the Lex platform, whichever technology you want, so based on that this Infosys will see your certification and programs, and then based on that you will be also put in the development. Okay, so there is a chance to move from testing or support to development. Okay, anyway, if you don't want to get into development, then there is no problem. If you don't score well, then definitely they will not put you in development. We will be talking about that as well. So this is again an advantage which is not there with the other companies, or you say if I compare TCS, definitely it is not there. Okay, now on-site opportunity. So if you are there in Infosys for 2 to 3 years, then you will be getting on-site opportunity. Okay, your on-site opportunity will be more as compared to other companies. So these are the 5 benefits. These are the 5 points. World-class training. So either it is generic or it is a stream-based, the training will be very, very good. Okay, Infosys has a brand value. So Infosys itself is a brand value, and plus the training makes Infosys a very better and a far company. Okay, there is a lot to learn, opportunities at every stage. If they put you in support or testing, certification program will help you, and Lex platform is one of the Infosys platform, and then you will be having on-site opportunity. So this 5 points is definitely gonna help you to say that yes, I want Infosys. Okay, now so before we move ahead and before you say that, why you should say no to Infosys, or you should say no to Infosys. Diwali Dhamaka offer online study for you is giving, okay, and here you will be getting 21% off plus 3 months free extension. So you can use the coupon code Diwali21. This is there only till 7th of November. Okay. And one more thing which I wanted to tell you, friends, दबा दो यार, I mean subscribe पे दबा दो and notification पे भी दबा दो. So please click on subscribe as well as notification so that you do not miss any videos. So based on your requirement, based on what you put on comments, so we are working day and night for you. So the only thing which I am asking, which we are asking to you is, so please do subscribe and click on notification. So आज दबा दो, आज मत छोड़ो यार. 2,55,000 सब्सक्राइबर क्रॉस करके 3 लाख जल्दी से जल्दी होना चाहिए. So we are waiting for 3 lakhs. Okay, and for that we are definitely working a lot because we wanted to help each corner of the people. So please do subscribe. Aaj daba do, aaj mat chhodna. Okay, then say no to Infosys for the below regions. So what are the regions? More pressure. So friends, please do realize that Infosys you will have more pressure. Okay, so you might work from 9 to 7. Okay, so 11 to 9. So and shift based jobs will be there. Shift based jobs means it's not mean that you have to work in night and day and morning. Basically you'll have the companies, outside companies will be there. Infosys is a service based company, so the timing will be odd. Okay, so you might have to work from 11 to 9, 9 to 7, but this is not 9 to 5 job. Okay, Infosys is not a 9 to 5 job. Maybe possibility that out of 100% there will be 5% projects will be there where you will have 9 to 5 jobs, but okay, but in the most of the cases you will have more pressure. Okay, you'll have to work for almost 9 to 10 hours. So there is no doubt at all. Keep that in mind that you'll have more pressure in Infosys. See, I'm telling you based on lot of facts. I'm not simply telling you on based on my experience and all. Okay, so there will be lot of facts behind that. And as I said, I have 10 plus years of experience. So definitely my experience with all the companies, I have worked in multiple companies. So based on that only I'm telling you. So please be clear that definitely pressure will be more. So you need to tolerate that pressure. But as a fresher, you will be definitely able to see when you are learning, you are doing things, then definitely pressure will be more. So here in Infosys, it is there as compared to other companies. Second one, salary is very, very less. So friends, at least in virtual training and all, they are giving a very good package of 20K. You won't believe. So in like Mysore training and all, they used to give 13-14K also. And that was one of the reason I was telling you that I will tell you why I had left Infosys. So when I was about to join in 2011, so they were giving 13-14K, okay, for training. So during the training period, because you did not have to spend anything on the food, you have seen this Mysore campus, right? So you did not have to pay anything for the food, you did not have to pay anything for the stay. So everything was free. Along with that, we were getting 13-14K in the hand. So this was one of the reason I left. Now, during the virtual training period, you are getting 20K in your hand. Okay. And once after the training, so because of pandemic, many things have changed. So now there is no 6-month training also. Okay. So now there is no 6-month training is there. Earlier there was 6-month training were there. So now they are finishing it in 3 months or something like that. Okay. So after your training, if you score more than 80%, your salary will be 25,000 in hand. If you score less than 80%, so I don't know, this data is 70 to 80 or 65 to 80, I'm not very sure, then you will be getting 22.5K. So one of our candidate, those who is in Infosys, so she had scored 77% and she is getting right now 22.5K. Okay, and if you score more than 80, you will be getting 25K. So salary will be definitely very, very less, my dear friends. So this is one point where we need to think that you should say no to Infosys. Okay, and this pressure one, yes, it is there. You can ask whomever you want, whoever is working in Infosys. So as I said, 5% might be exception, but 99% will be there. Negligible hikes. Friends, each and every hike in Infosys will be based on your performance. Okay, and friends, for every exam, either it is generic or it is a stream based, there will be exam. So if you do not qualify the exam, we will talk in down. So what will happen, that we will discuss, because here we considered if it is more than 80%, if it is 70 to 80%, but what if you do not qualify the exam, then you will be removed. Okay, then you will be removed. Okay, so let us talk about that. So negligible hike will be always based on the performance, and intentionally you will be, more than 80% and all, very few student will get. So suppose if you consider 200, so hardly 2 or 3 will get. Okay, so intentionally you will be getting less. Okay, so please keep that in mind. So negligible hike, and every hike will be based on your performance, which I do not personally like. Okay, now fourth, random distribution of project. But as I said you, so the distribution of project will not happen in your skills. The distribution of project will happen randomly, but you can get choice of your project if you go through this Lex platform, study well. But where is the time? After so much pressure working from 8 to 9, which certification you will do, man? i I don't know. I mean, you have to forget your personal life, that you have a personal life as well. So you have to completely become a member of Infosys. You have to work day and night, then only. So random distribution of projects will be there here. Okay, now, so Infosys has a concept, every company has a concept of bench. Okay, but Infosys has 100% concept of bench. So you will be definitely put on bench. So what happens? So after your training, if you do not perform well, okay, so out of 100, 1 or 2 persons will also get removed. Okay, and what also happens is, so if you're the other people, like, so 1 to 2 people suppose is getting removed, then other 20 persons, those who will have less marks, so they will not be directly assigned to the project. Okay, so they will be they will be put on bench, and again they will be preparing again and again. Okay, so they will be again writing the test. Okay, so all those things will be happening. So bench means you have not been put on any project, you are on the bench and you are waiting your performance to be better, and then you will be put in some projects. Okay, now the next is non-IT student need to be careful. So if you are from non-IT background, from mechanical, civil, okay, so if you are from this kind of background, friends, examination will happen. Okay, so at every stage they will measure your performance. So, and also I told you the training will be best training. So you need to learn. You cannot simply sit and you can wait that okay your performance will improve. No, you have to do something from now itself. So at least the generic training, like, see, Infosys recruitment, whatever interview and all happens, it's not very strict. Okay, but training is very, very strict, and your performance will be measured at every stage. So if you're from mechanical, civil, so please now only you learn whatever will be taught in generic training like Java, C++, Python. So these things you learn now itself. If you're selected in Infosys, do not sit simply. Okay, it is not going to help you. You will be in trouble during the training period. You will not be getting time as well to read and spend time on that. So whatever time you have got now, utilize it. Okay, see, why I did not go for Infosys, because my coding, I did not have much interest in coding, frankly speaking. I had choices. So I had Tata company, Infosys, and one more company was there, Wipro. Okay, so I was selected in all these 3 companies, and that time, during our time, there was not much online examination. I do not know if there was any online examination. I'm talking about 10 years before, so in 2011. So there was not much online, or there was no online examination happening. So I did not have much interest in coding. Okay, and that is the reason I decided not to go for the Infosys. So the first reason was definitely the salary, and the second reason was my interest. Because if you are in Infosys, you should and must learn coding. So friends, I know these videos might be a little long, but I wanted to share all the points so that you see, about you better than anyone. So you know how much good at coding. So accordingly you can decide, because as I said, Infosys at every stage, coding will be required. Without coding, it's very tough to survive in Infosys. Even if you are surviving, it will be very difficult for you to spend your days in Infosys. You'll have to work, you'll have to more work. Okay, and friends, this examination and all in virtual environment, what is happening, so there'll be some cheating and all will happen. So still you can you can pass the examination. So your generic or your whatever stream based trainings will be there, so still you will be able to get from that. Okay, so now friends, our next video will be definitely, so next video I'll be making on Wipro, and then Congruent, whatever you in the comments you have put. So once again, please put down in the comments that which companies details you want. And also Friends, what you liked about the video, please do comments. What you did not like about the video, that also you comments. So friends, as I said, definitely we are working very hard for you guys. So please share the videos as much as possible and like the videos. Okay, so at least I want 1,000 like on this video. See, that is what gives us motivation. So when you appreciate the work which we do, see, even in company Infosys or any company you join, if you do not get appreciated by your seniors or your colleagues, then definitely you will not get motivated. So we are doing so much for you guys. So please put a comment, like, and any kind of doubts. We will definitely bring out the Infosys employees here and they will be able to reply to each and every queries. So open today online study for you. Okay. And do not forget to subscribe. दबा देना है आज subscribe button and notification button as well. So friends, I hope this video is going to help you a lot, and I will be always there for you guys, guiding you through your career. And one more thing I wanted to tell you. So if you are selected in TCS, Infosys, Wipro and Accenture, then definitely go for Accenture. Accenture is the best company. Okay, and their package is also very good. So please go for Accenture, and each and every companies I will be talking in details about their pros and cons. Thank you friends, take care, all the best.